Most people think success starts with money. That's a lie. The truth is money chases skills, not effort. And right now, you're living in the only generation where you can build a high-value skill for free. No degree, no connections, no capital. But here's the problem. Most people learn skills the wrong way. They watch random videos, feel busy, and stay broke. In this video, I'll show you a simple system to build a valuable skill from zero, using only your phone, time, and discipline. If you follow this, you won't just learn, you'll become useful, and usefulness pays. Let's begin.
Number 1, understand what a valuable skill really is. A valuable skill has 3 qualities. It solves a real problem, someone is already paying for it, it can be learned and practiced daily. Examples: writing, video editing, graphic design, coding, digital marketing, sales, data analysis, AI prompting, public speaking, teaching or explaining. If people pay for it online, it's valuable, period. Stop chasing passion skills, chase useful skills. Number 2, pick 1 skill, not 5. This is where most people fail. They try coding today, editing tomorrow, trading next week. Result? No mastery. Rule: pick 1 skill and commit for 90 days. Not forever, just 90 focused days. Clarity beats motivation.
Number 3, learn for free, but with structure. You don't need paid courses, you need order. Use YouTube, long-form tutorials, free courses, Coursera, Google, Free Code Camp, blogs and documentation, AI tools for explanation, not shortcuts. But here's the rule most people miss. Don't binge content. Learn, apply, repeat. If you watch 2 hours and practice 0 minutes, you learned nothing. If you're serious about upgrading your mind, your skills, and your future, subscribe to Life Impact TV. We don't do hype here, we build real value. Now back to work. Number 4, practice in public. You don't need clients to practice, you need exposure. Examples: writer, write on X, Medium, LinkedIn. Editor, recreate YouTube videos. Designer, redesign popular brands. Programmer, build small tools. Marketer, grow a small page. Document your progress. Post your work. Show proof. This does 3 things: builds confidence, attracts feedback, and makes you visible. Opportunities don't find hidden people. Number 5, turn practice into experience. Here's the secret move. Work for free strategically, not forever, not for exploitation. Offer free work for small creators. Volunteer for projects. Help friends or local businesses. Fix real problems. Why? Because experience beats certificates. 1 real project greater than 10 online courses. Number 6, stack the skill. 1 skill is good. 2 combined skills are dangerous. Examples: writing plus AI, editing plus storytelling, coding plus problem solving, teaching plus content creation. Skill stacking makes you rare. Rarity creates income. Number 7, be patient. Skills compound. The first 30 days feel slow. The next 60 days feel confusing. But after that, people start asking, how did you learn this? Can you help me? Can I pay you? That's when the game changes. Skills compound quietly until they don't. You don't need money to start. You need discipline, focus, and time. If you're broke but skilled, you're temporary poor. If you're unskilled, money won't save you. Start where you are. Use what you have. Build something valuable. This is Life Impact TV, shaping the minds of future billionaires.